Ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro hagani ka step na kwa nai Khublei yo chief minister jong ka jala Meghalaya Khublei Jubab mardor ya ka jingdawa jong ka voice of the people party ban Pynbna Paidbah no ya ka report jong ka expert committee wat lada ka party ka sngo thamula ya ka jingkren ka jong chief minister ubla penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Pynbna Paidbah kloi ya ka ni report ka day na marba ka ni report kala jrong pala bat kala Khia pala ngim pat ju khamir sngo kot ya ka bakum ka ni ka jing ai daw jong ka sokar lese ka sokar MDA balai lam de ka NPP ka pension rim ya ka policy da ka jing jrong bat ka jing Khia jong ka ta policy nyuma ni don ka jing kan ka baskem baga sokar kan shu kula thli ban Pynbna Paidbah no ya ka report bangi the community passion ka sokar jala kan Pynbna Paidbah no ya ka report jong ka expert committee Khublei. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the People Party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the Chief Minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP-led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.